chicken.
Dad.
Bro. What's this for? There's nothing to plant right.
Oh, wow. Look at these rocks. They're soil. And they can break. Oh, what's this kind of tree?
All right, guys. So here we are. We're starting a garden. The kids were interested. We already started some vegetables. We started some bell peppers and something else. But the bell peppers are obviously growing. We're in like week 3 now. So we're getting ready to... First of all, here's a disclaimer. I know this much about gardening. They know this much about gardening. You see, we really don't know anything about gardening, but I think it's interesting just how the prices of everything are going up, and so now it's forcing me outside. No, I'm kidding. I work at UPS, so groceries are affordable. But who still wants to pay those crazy prices, right? But the thing is, really, just getting the kids out here, and we're all going to learn together. And I watched several videos on YouTube. I'm going to work at the same time. Cadence, back up some, honey. So I watched several. I'm trying to get. Hold on, honey. I watched several videos on YouTube, just of different things. And they said one of the things that they noticed is that you cannot stand here, honey. You want me to hit you with this? It won't feel good. So, one of the things they said was, sorry, I'm out of breath, but yeah, I was actually getting ready to buy a tiller. And I was like, man, that thing $800, the one I want. So I was like, should I get an $800 tiller or should I start by hand? I started thinking about how they did it 300-400 years ago. I was like, I'm gonna start by hand, then I'm gonna buy one. But if I want it bad enough, I'll start by hand. So, but people were saying that even after years of doing this, they're still learning certain things. Watch out, honey. They're still learning certain things. And I said, well, I'm joining the club of never learning enough. So the soil is really good. I can tell that the soil is good. If y'all want to pull this grass away from me, I'm trying to get rid of this grass. I was digging, because I used to do landscape for a living, I was digging down, pulling out these clumps. But instead of, I'm gonna get the dirt off of those at the end. But instead of doing that, I'm just trying to scrape at the grass using this blade or spade. I'm tired, but it's good for me. I can stay thin this way.
Daddy, we can help you.
I know you are. You're doing a good job. Excuse me. Work over there. I don't want to hit you with this spade. Mommy will kill me.
You mean Daddy?
Mommy will kill me. Daddy ain't gonna kill Daddy. I'm Daddy.
Mommy will kill you?
God, I didn't mean Mommy will kill me. It's just I don't want to hurt her babies. I don't think she would kill me.
Stop.
She loves you guys a lot, but I don't know if she would kill you. Or kill me. Sorry. We probably just have to have another one.
How?
She would never.
You don't think Mommy would have another baby?
No.
Nah, me neither. But if she said she wanted another child, you guys would have a sibling in 9 months.
And we would die. We would die.
No.
Daddy, this is a big...
I have a long way to go. I'm doing like a 14 by 14. But I promise you I'll have all this done by the time I go back to work Wednesday. Even if I got to do it an hour at a time. Excuse me, honey. I really need to mark out where I'm going this way. Here, let me.
Dad, do I have to put this dirt?
Whoa, I hit a rock. There's a rock right there.
Dad,
Excuse
do
me.
I have to put this sand in
Excuse me, Cadence.
So what are we making?
What are we making?
Yeah.
You know what we're out here doing.
Planting.
Man, that is a big rock.
That is a big rock.
You hear it? Here, excuse me, watch out.
What if it was not a rock?
It's a rock. Brick.
Brick?
part of a brick.
Man, it's metal.
A lot of things.
Dad, it's metal.
A lot of things have been planted in the ground.
Do you
so
hear
have to
it,
be careful.
Daddy?
Yes, ma'am.
It's metal.
That's why we're not using our hands to dig in, because there could be glass in the ground.
Man,
There
and
could
this
be-
rock is so heavy.
Uh-huh. Why don't y'all, it's not big enough, but why don't you save it and write on it?
Uh-huh.
Maybe put on there the day we started doing our garden.
Okay. Wait,
Just put it off
what's
to
that
the side.
sound? A mouse trap?
No. What do you mean mousetrap? Are you talking about
I
one of the ones
was in there.
we set?
And
No.
if a mouse trap was,
Dad, where did we stop?
Dad, if a mouse trap was stuck in our
Excuse me, honey.
field.
You would kill him.
Yeah.
Good job.
If it was,
How long you wanted it?
Dad, if he was stuck, then I would die him.
Dying. What?
Yeah, cause mice.
I found the worm.
Where?
Remember that worm Cadence was playing with?
Yeah.
Anyway, any of you guys garden? Anybody? I know John Pancake and Jessica Pancake, good friends of ours. I know they garden. They are tremendous.
Don't kill them.
She was pregnant and gardening. Love them. They're awesome. Actually going to learn a lot from them. Her husband actually told me which tiller to get. I didn't know it was that much. I was thinking $400. I was like, oh, okay then. Nice. I'm looking at how much work I gotta do. I have a lot of time though. Sitting in the house playing the game. So, could have had it done already. You guys aren't moving the grass.
It's because of this.
Nah, don't blame anything else. Might even find some fishing bait in here. It rained a little bit.
A worm is already out.
I'm amazed that they're not talking in the camera, because normally they would be taking over the camera. So it's good that they're working. I'm gonna have to pay you guys.
No. Oh no. That ain't no. Not even like.
How much you gonna charge me an hour, Z?
Huh?
How much are you gonna charge me per hour?
I don't know. I'll
He
probably.
starts to move.
Huh?
Start to move.
12
Daddy, why?
$12 an hour?
Nah, bro.
Daddy, it feels good in
I'm not your bro, I'm your dad.
I mean $20.
20 bucks?
See, if I get this
Man, you're
worm
high.
out. Where's that one?
Wait, what?
You're expensive, buddy.
No, I got more money than that. I got
Mhm.
50.
You got more money than that?
Yeah, I got 50 something. That's a lot too. Don't ever do that.
We have to get those bell peppers out of that pot into some individual, or not individual ones, but small ones. I need to go to Lowe's tomorrow. Anyway, I'm not in the view of the camera anymore.
Ew, I don't want to.
All right. I should go get our home pod so we can blast some music. Oh man,
I lost it.
No, it's that on.
I'm tired, y'all. I haven't even done anything.
Yeah, you only.
Let's do it.
Dad, can't we take this out for us?
Huh?
So we can see that worm.
Can't we take this out for us?
So we can see that worm.
You forgot this part, Dad. Wait.
I can only do so much at a time, buddy. About ready to hire somebody.
It looks like
I'm
a monster
Hire me,
with
I'm
one
back.
eye.
You need help digging?
We're still gonna have to till because
Dad, you need help
these
digging?
blades of grass still have seeds
Jason.
or roots. I mean.
Look at all that.
Jason.
Mm-hmm.
Z, Jason.
I think what we're gonna do is
Z, Z.
we're gonna do.
Z.
Look, we're gonna do.
No, I ain't playing.
Look, we're gonna do this. From here to here for today.
Okay.
That's all we're gonna do. Excuse me.
But don't break the rock.
Just from there.
Okay.
Because I'm doing it by hand and it's entirely too much work.
Dad, you need help digging?
Indeed, I do.
Okay.
I'll help you. I'll get out the grass. Me and Kate are getting out the grass while you do that, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
Dang. Man, I just got some dirt out.
Hold this piece.
Oh, it feels good. Stop. What?
Excuse me, honey.
Working. You might want to get some bugs out. Because you don't want bugs.
I'm going to use my hand for this whole time. For grass.
Don't want to get no bugs.
You guys want to go inside and play the game?
Sure.
Nope. We're working.
Oh yeah, because I forgot you said it's going to go there to there, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Before we go
Excuse me.
play the game. Before I go play some Fortnite.
We might not play the game today.
What?
Dad, this looks like a firework thing.
Now you said you're tired.
Yeah, but you should encourage me to work.
Look, Z. Woo! Woo!
Run back.
Yeah, I look like a bird. Do I went shooting?
No, Kate.
So hi. So
Kate.
Did y'all find a worm down there?
Yeah.
yeah.
Where was it? You saw it? Did you get it?
Yeah. No.
Where is it?
It's under. There it is. Do you see that white? Oh, there it is.
Dad, I can't get it out. Dad, and I want to
We're
touch
using our claws.
Let it live.
I cannot stand snakes. I love snakes. Snakes on a plane, but
So we
kind of
leave
my
it. So we don't leave. I mean, so we don't. So
Now,
it
what's
can
your favorite
sleep.
cartoon?
So it can.
If it's the Mario thing, bro.
So it can sleep. Dad, do you need some help? Dad, do you need some help?
We do not know what to do.
Dad, don't put it in my eye.
Then move. Watch out.
It's the Old West, Daddy.
Back up. You don't want dirt in your eye. Back up.
Yeah, the
Don't put
Old
this
West.
in my eye. Z, here it is. Okay. You keep it for me.
That's a little way to do.
Oh, you're my best.
Bro, we're brother and sister. I ain't girl. Bro, guys, look at this. Let's just put this right on my head. I ain't no girl, I'm a boy. I know where to put it, kids.
No. I know. Like this.
Guys, make sure you come to part 2, okay? Okay, guys? Part 2
So it can be
next time.
good.
Next time, come
I'm
to
gonna
part
put
2.
it
on
my hair.
Another part. We're gonna do square.
Why?
No, I have mine.
Yeah.
Cause we're gonna make like parts. Like it's gonna be like a measure. It's like gonna be a measuring until we get all the way right here. All the way right here, guys. All the way right here. So that's gonna take like I don't know how much space.
Daddy.
It's gonna take a lot
Daddy,
too.
do you need some help?
And
Yes,
we
ma'am.
found the brick.
Okay. Do you need some help, Z?
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, I'm
taking
gonna
out
use
grass.
it with my hands. Dig. Oh, I just found something special.
What?
No, it's
A bug, that's what you found.
what's
You know there's
that?
a lot of stuff living in the soil, right?
Yeah.
A lot of
Especially
little,
snakes.
lot of little pests, a lot of little insects and stuff.
Yeah, and snakes. Snakes could be here. So I will never come back to the garden. I will never be working at the
You
garden.
have to come out into the garden or they're going to eat everything up.
Huh?
You got to come out here or they're going to eat everything up.
We
You don't
can't
wanna
do
allow me?
anything without your help. Oh yeah. Mom,
Daddy,
we have mommy on our side, right?
Daddy, do you
No,
need
mommy
some
would
help?
run.
Huh?
Daddy, do you need some
Mommy would
help?
run. Watch out.
Daddy, do you need some help?
Oh
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
brother.
Oh, we need some help again. Z, come on. Come on, Z.
I'm gonna wait until he's done with that. And then we all take out the grass.
Okay.
Alright. Wait guys.
Now when we get done,
And we're gonna get
pick up some compost.
gonna do good.
When we're done,
Mm-hmm.
when we're done with the whole thing, or this part, or part 1. I'm Wolverine! Oh! Sorry, guys. But I am Wolverine! Bro, look at me.
What? Another worm?
Wow, so much worms. It's called a worm family. Dad, stab the
Oh, the worm is the mom is.
So, Dad, we're done?
It's break time. He's not tired. He's not even sweating.
Yeah.
She's not tired.
She sweating,
She's sweating a little bit.
but I ain't.
But I ain't.
Dad, what?
Is that what they taught you in school?
Dad,
But
what?
I ain't.
Dad, what is on your face?
But I'm not.
Huh?
I'm not the
What is
sweatiest
on
one.
your face?
What's on my face?
Yeah.
Sweat.
Sweat. Oh.
All those electrolytes that I had in my body today are coming out.
Dad, can we?
Nice knowing you guys. We'll continue in about an
Part
hour.
2.
No,
then
we're gonna
part
continue
3.
about an hour. Maybe 30 minutes. I'm exaggerating.
You do not
We're
know
gonna do
what
like a
you
little.
Come here, come here.
We're gonna do like a little 4x4. Ultimately, doing like a 20.
It's moving.
I'm about ready to go get that tiller today.
I'm ready to
I'm
get some
worn out.
I'm ready to play some Fortnite.
But
I'm ready to go.
told you, you're not playing Fortnite today. So
Daddy, I thought you said like
if I do a 4x4 and it take an hour, and I'm doing a 20x20, it won't take me long.
Daddy, the worm is moving.
Daddy, I don't
Eat it. We don't have anything else to eat. No, we don't. We're out of food.
Stop lying, Daddy.
I'm not lying. I'm crouching.
Worm.
I'm gonna lie down later when I go to bed. Love you guys. Stay tuned. Gardening with the Nocks. We have a long way to go. We don't know anything about gardening. Not a clue. We started some bell peppers and they are already growing, but
Can we do that?
we got to get them into some little small little pots or whatever, and then move them to the bigger pots. But